Good morning, everyone. So today we'll be discussing about the sedition law. Recently, the Supreme Court, the CGI, opined and he gave his view that the sedition law, Section 124A of the IPC, have passed its time. So these were the very strong words that CGI opined and he gave out. Fine. So this gave us a clear idea that the Supreme Court, in fact, the CGI wanted that this law should be deleted out from the IPC. Fine, as we have already known that from the in the last few years and few months that there was a gracious misuse of this law. Fine, whoever is having a view against the government, किसी कोई भी अगर गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट में डिसेंट कराए, and he is not having the view or he is having an opposite idea and he try to bring out in public that there are very high chances that he will be imposed with sedition law. So if you see the political leaders, the social activists, and the students, the youths who try to protest out against the government, those were being imposed with the sedition law. Fine. So now there are very high chances that in near future we will see this law might get deleted out from the IPC. Right. So what this law is actually, Section 124A, what does this law? It says that whoever, any person by words spoken or written or by signs or by any other representation brings out or attempts to bring the government or he try to contempt, excites violence, disaffection towards the government established by the law will be imposed with this sedition law. And there are a set of provisions and there is a set of penalties that he will be imposed, and what are the provisions, क्या इसकी सज़ा है. Fine, that will be imposed accordingly. Fine. So anybody who try to incite or by written or verbal communication, that can be imposed with this sedition law. So going into the historical background, ये section 124 कब आया? So it was being introduced in the year 1870. At that time, the Lord Macaulay was there. Fine. As we have already known, 1870s के टाइम पीरियड में हमारे नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट काफ़ी बढ़ रहा था, एंड द पीपल वर गोइंग एंड दे वर प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. 1870 में लोग गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट में थे, and there was a growing tide of nationalist movement. So then they introduced this law in order to suppress the liberty and the freedom of the citizens or Indians, so that they don't protest, and those could be put behind bars with strong punishments. Right. So Mahatma Gandhi quote a very strong word. He said a statement, he said a quote regarding this. What he said? He said this, Section 124 of the IPC is the prince among the political section of the IPC, which is designed to suppress the liberty of the citizen. This is the very strong words that Mahatma Gandhi gave out. Fine, so it was being used during the British time to suppress the nationalist movement, and they wanted to suppress the liberty and the freedom of the Indians, so that they don't go out to protest against the government. Fine. There is a substantial data also. काफ़ी strong data है that there has been with the NCRB that there has been a 160% increase. 160% increase हो गया है किसमें? Cases. Those are the frivolous cases the citizens are being imposed with. Just the conviction rate is less than 3.5%. Conviction rate कितना? It is less than 3.5%. or increase in the cases, that has been 160% increase in the cases. Fine. So this is the substantial data, and now the CGI have also pointed that this law has passed its time and this can be deleted out in the future. And so we'll be continuing up with this and we'll be discussing more about this law. And so there were two judgments. Those were the Kedarnath case that was versus the state of Bihar. Kedarnath case was versus the state of Bihar in 1962, and another one was the Balwant Singh case versus the state of Punjab 1995. इसमें हुआ क्या था? बलवंत सिंह केस, दैट वाज बलवंत सिंह केस में व्हाट दे डिड, पंजाब में खालिस्तानी मूवमेंट चल रहा था. फाइन. 1965 1970 देयर वाज अ डिमांड फॉर सेपरेट पंजाब स्टेट, दैट वाज द खालिस्तान. फाइन. सो अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दे रेज आउट द स्लोगन्स खालिस्तान जिंदाबाद. फाइन. सो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ओपाइंड दैट Supreme Court gave his judgment just कि अगर हम खाली if we are going and raising out slogans, that is the Khalistan Zindabad, these will not amount to sedition. Fine. So just merely raising out the slogans would not be amounting, and those will not be having sedition cases against them. Fine. So it was being removed. So ये चीज़ का misuse हुआ था, and they said that this law is being misunderstood or is being misused to muzzle the voices of the dissenters. Fine. The another one was the Kedarnath case. Fine, versus the state of Bihar 1962. We'll be discussing every of these in great details, and we'll be putting up on our website also on the Clatothon. We'll be putting up the content on our website Clatothon. One can go and look into it.